In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving limits of your functions for your JAMB Maths. So limits is one of the topics in calculus. We are going to practice with two repeated questions for this topic. Alright, so let's get started with the first repeated question here. It says, evaluate the following limit. We have the limit x tending to 2. Alright, so this is the expression. So let's go ahead and solve this. Guys, actually limits is one of the easiest topics in calculus. So to solve this question, all you have to do basically is to let's factorize, alright, so that we can break this down. Now if you factorize the numerator, you ask yourself, what are two values that when you multiply them you get negative 12, and when you add them you get 4. So you will see that this value plus 6 and negative 2 will work. 6 times negative 2 give negative 12. 6 plus negative 2 will give you 4. Alright, when you do 6 plus negative 2 plus times minus will give you minus, so it will give you 6 minus 2, it will give you 4. Alright, so 6 times negative 2 will give you negative 12. So these factors will go. So this will give us x squared, alright, plus 6x minus 2x minus 12. You split it, this is x squared plus 6x, okay, minus 2x minus 12. So when you factorize this, you're going to have x in bracket x plus 6 minus the factor. When you factorize the common factor of the minus 2 in bracket, we have x, this minus will affect this minus here to not the plus here, 6. Okay, so when you multiply what you have inside, what you have with this negative 2 here, you get back to what you have inside here. Right, so at this juncture, one of the signs you can check out for to know whether you're on the right track is if what you have here and what you have here are correct. So you know that you are good to go. So right now the final result for this solution will now be x plus 6. Alright, we have x minus 2, okay, over, let's, if you factorize the denominator, this is the same thing as x in bracket x minus 2. Okay, when you multiply this at the denominator, you get back to what you have here. At this juncture, we have more factors to cancel out. This will cancel itself. So now x is turning to 2. You plug into where you see x in this expression. So this will give us 2 plus 6 over 2, which will give us 8 over 2, which will give us what, 4. The correct option to this question is what? Option D, 4. 4 is your answer. It's as simple as this. So let's wipe this now, solve the next repeated question, the last one, before I call it the class. Alright, so the last repeated question we're going to solve will be this question. It says evaluate the limit x tending to 2. So this is the expression we're going to evaluate. Now note that there are basically 3 ways you can solve limits of a function. One of the ways you can use is through substitution method. You can also use what we call the L'Hopital rule. In the L'Hopital rule, you are going to apply the principle of differentiation first, and we have a factorization method, of which is a method we use to solve the first one. Alright, so this is the second question. Okay, so to solve this, we are still going to factorize to make the work easy for us. So let's factorize what we have at the denominator so that we can get common factors to cancel what we have at the numerator. Alright, so this will give us x minus 2, alright, in bracket x squared plus 3x minus 2 over, when we factorize what we have at the denominator, this is difference of 2 squares. This is the same thing as s squared minus 2 square. Okay, so when you break this down, this is the same thing as x plus 2 x minus 2. Okay, so when you multiply these two values, you get back to this. Okay, you get back to this basically. Alright, so let's go ahead and simplify this. We now have common factors. This will cancel itself, this will cancel itself, so we're left with this and this. So let's substitute 2 in them respectively. So when you substitute, you're going to have 2 square plus 3 times 2 minus 2, which will give us 2 square is 4 plus 6 minus 2 over, this is minus guys, over, we have 2 plus 2, which will give us 10 minus 3, will give us 8 divided by 4. So our output will be what? 2. 2 will be the answer to this question. It's as simple as this. Alright, so this is basically how you can deal with problems involving limits of a functions in calculus for your JAMB Maths. These are the questions to practice with. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to our channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video to tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask, you gotta know what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Now click on the screen and below and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.